Good morning. I am going to do a quick toy unboxing. If you watched my arcade videos, you know I went to Kokomo last week and I cashed in tickets and got a whole bunch, actually 3 sets of these Pacman Squishies. So this set has 4 Ghosts and Pac-Man. So it's got Pinky, Inky, Clyde, and Blinky, and so I had enough tickets to get 3 complete sets. So I'm going to open 1 set for me, and then I actually gave out the second set to commenters on my video, subscribers who answered a question, and so I'm going to mail those out tomorrow. So if any of you were winners, your packages will be mailed out tomorrow. And then the third set, my sister and nieces has claimed, so they always claim my toys. So anyway, I'm going to start with Pac-Man. So I like the packaging, very nice packaging. So these were 900 tickets. I do not know if these are in regular stores. I'm sure they are. I don't know how much they retail for. I just know that each bag costs 900 tickets. I don't know the cash value of the tickets. Kokomo Joe's has different pricing and deals and stuff, so it's really hard to say how much money this actually cost me. Doesn't matter. I'm there to have fun. To me, it was well worth it. So anyway, I really love the packaging. So, and let's see. So the first one is Pac-Man, and I'm definitely keeping the packaging. Sorry if it's like annoyingly loud, but I really like the packaging. So anyway, we have Pac-Man, and I think these are really good squishies. They say Pac-Man, I don't know, brand name. So anyway, I really like these squishies. They're a bit of a slow rise, like not the slowest, but they're not the quickest either. Kind of like a medium rise. Definitely a squishy. If you know anything about squishies, if you collect squishies, then you know not all squishies are created equal. So sometimes they're too hard. They're more like stress balls. This is a really, really good squishy. I'm very happy with the quality, and I absolutely love when I can cash my arcade tickets in for a good prize. Because if you go to a lot of arcades, you know there's a lot of crap prizes out there, so when you find a good prize, it's pretty awesome. And this is a very, very good prize. So, Pac-Man. And then I will open Pinky. Let's see. Sorry if this is loud. Alright, so my niece Abby collects squishies and she keeps the bags. So when I went over there a couple weeks ago, she was showing me how she organizes all her bags and stuff. It's pretty cool. She takes her squishy collection very seriously. So this is Pinky. Again, it's like a medium slow rise, taking the original shape back quickly, but not too quickly. It's just a really good squishy. If you don't know what I mean, next time you're at an arcade, claim one of those cheap squishies and you'll know what I mean. This is definitely a very good quality squishy. Like the most common squishies you'll see for like $1 is like these like generic looking donuts. So here, I'll show you hold on. I got one clipped right here. See? This is like the most common generic squishy. See, look, it's barely squishing at all. It's a crap squishy. And this was an arcade prize. Let me put that back. So this is definitely a high quality squishy. Pinky. And then the next one, the orange, Clyde. So I hope they come out with a Mrs. Pac-Man series. That would be nice. Clyde. Oh my god, I could squish these all day long. Definitely really cool. Alright. And then the red is Blinky. And it's kind of funny that I got these because the other night on TV was the movie Pixels. I have never seen the whole thing. I caught the like last hour of it. If you're not familiar with it, it's like a movie, I don't know how old it is. I'm pretty sure it's within the last 10 years. It has Adam Sandler, and then like aliens mistake our video games as a declaration of war, and so they're like energy, and so they recreate themselves as 80s video games. I guess that's why it's called Pixels. And honestly, I didn't really like the movie. It was kind of lame. I think it wasn't funny enough. They were trying to be too serious, I think. But the animation and the 80s video games coming to life in present day was pretty darn cool. Just the storyline was lame. But the last, don't want to, I know there's nothing to spoil in the movie. The last fight was them against Pac-Man. So I'm like, woohoo, Pac-Man! Okay, and the blue one is Inky. I really probably should give the movie a better chance because I do love Adam Sandler. But I don't know. The guy from King of Queens was the president. That kind of threw me off. I'm like, what reality would that guy ever be nominated as president? So that was a little unrealistic, but so is aliens turning themselves into video games. So, isn't that cool? So, alright, so here we go. Inky, Blinky, Clyde, and Pinky. I'm looking at my notes, I know. And then Pac-Man. So seriously, best squishies ever. If you have these at your arcades, I highly recommend using your tickets to get them. Or if they're at the store, I don't know. They're definitely worth $10 if they're $10. I don't know what the price would be. I'd pay $10 for these if I saw them at a store. They are definitely very good squishy quality. So, oh my goodness. This is them. And thanks for the commenters who answered my question and won some ghosts. Like I said, I will mail those off tomorrow, and I really appreciate you watching my videos. And anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.